Guys, so today we will be having another topic about the hydraulics, chapter 1, the properties of fluid. So diretso na po tayo sa ating mga problem solving. So explain na lang natin yung mga formulas later on. Kasi pag isa-isahin natin medyo magtatagal tayo, tsaka hindi nyo rin kaagad madadigest what is the for kind of formula. So siguro pwede nyo naman yan sa school na lang aralin yung mga formulas na yan, or try nyong i-memorize na lang. So, dito yung atake natin is diretso tayo sa problem solving para ma-digest agad natin kung ano yung gamit ng mga formulas na yan. Okay, so we have here another problem. Or the clouds can weigh thousands of pounds due to their liquid water contained. Often this content is measured in grams per cubic meter. Assume that a cumulus cloud occupies a volume of 1 cubic kilometer and its liquid water content is 0.2 grams per cubic meter. Yung tinatanong dito is what is the volume of the cloud in cubic miles and how much does the water in the cloud weigh in pounds. So, yung bigat dito sa pangalawa. Dito medyo madali kasi yung volume lang ng cloud in cubic miles. So, given naman tayo dito ng volume ng ano ng cloud is 1 cubic kilometer. So, i-convert lang natin ng ilang cubic kilometer into cubic miles. So, napakadali, ano? So, yung volume ng ating cloud is, ganyan, 1 cubic miles. So, alam naman natin na 1 kilometer per cubic, 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621371 miles. So, kailangan, alam nyo to. 'Di ba? Alam nyo yan. Dapat makabisado nyo yan. Actually, kahit hindi nyo na to pansinin, kasi medyo nag-typo error lang tayo dito. So, the volume of the cloud is equal to conversion lang. Ganyan lang. So, 1 kilometer. So, ito, 1 kilometer ilalagay natin dito sa baba para mag-cancel out ito, di ba? Tapos, yung itong kanina, kaya lang, yung given dito is cubic in cubic. So, we need to cube this one. Itong lahat, kailangan may cube natin. So, ganun lang siya. Ano? So, convert natin. Okay. So, 1 times 0.621371 over 1. Tapos, i-cube natin. Cube. Okay, so that is 0.2399. So, ganyan lang po yung ating conversion. Or actually, pwede natin itong ilagay ng 0.224 cubic miles. Kasi yan lang naman yung hinanap in cubic miles. So, dito naman is how much does the water in the cloud weigh in pounds. So, ginahanap dito yung weight. So, alam naman natin that the density is given naman tayo, or this would be the mass density. Kasi yung mass density natin is equal to the mass over volume. So, this is a mass, yung grams, tapos ito volume, cubic meter. Based doon sa kaniyang unit, kaya nasabi natin that this is the unit weight or the mass density. Okay? So, yung hinahanap dito is weight. So, paano natin yung weight? Yung weight is equal to W Morris Garage. Ano? Sasakyan yan Morris Garage ni Chavit Singson. So, that is the weight, mg. Okay? Hindi yan si Michael Jackson, ha? Kasi si Michael Gagston yan. Si Michael Galston. Charot. So, yun. That is our weight. So, yung problema natin is paano natin nahanapin siya in pounds. So, given tayo, ganito lang. Diba? Ito lang yung given natin doon. The density is 0.2. So, given naman tayo ng volume. Yung volume natin is, ilan yung volume natin? The volume natin is 1 cubic kilometer. Kaya lang, inahanap natin is consistency of the unit. Kailangan natin i-convert yung kilometer into cubic meter. Diba? Into cubic meter, into meter pala. Tama naman, cubic meter. Kaya lang ito cubic kilometer. So, i-rearrange natin. Kailangan kasi natin yung mass. Diba kasi yung mass wala tayo. Ito meron tayo. Ito meron tayo. So, that is 0.2 grams per cubic meter. So, yung volume na 1 cubic, ito, 1 cubic kilometer, i-convert natin into cubic meters. So that is times 9, 'di ba? Times 9 or times 9 times 10 raised to positive 9. Sorry. Mali-mali yung ating nabibigkas. That is times 10 raised to positive 9. So that is 0.2. So yung mangyayari dyan is 2 times 10 raised to 8. So magka-cancel yung cubic meter. So matitira yung grams. So that is also equal. That is na yung value natin ng mass. Okay? So yung mass natin, yes, alam naman natin. Or kayo, pwede nyo ring i-convert yung grams into kilogram. Kayo kung bahala kung ano. Kasi yun doon sa calculator, mayroon na yung conversion na from kilogram to pounds. Kasi kailangan natin yan i-convert. Pero kung hindi, is pwede nyo naman ito. Ito ano lang naman to is 2.2. Magiging 2.2 kung, halimbawa ito, kung 1 kilogram yung pag-uusapan nyo, that is equal to 2.2. 2.2. Magmumove lang siya ng 2, 3. Kasi ita-times mo lang to ng 1,000. 'Di ba? Magiging 1,000 lang yan. Tama. Ano mo lang yan ng 1,000, madi-divide mo lang ng 1,000 yan. So, yun yung natin. Kasi i-convert mo to ng kilogram. Okay? So, pero pag hindi, ito yung kabisaduhin mo na lang if ever na mahirapan ka. Pero, ganun lang din naman yung natin. This is what pounds. So, yan yung ating conversion. Okay? So, convert natin, maka-cancel yung grams. Ito, cancel na to, di ba? So, yun. That is 4.0812 pounds. So, pwede rin tayong sumagot ng 4.41 times 10 raised to pounds. Raised to positive 5 pounds. So, ito yung ating sagot. Ito for the letter A at ito naman for the letter B. Ito letter A. So, ganun lang yung ating pagsusolve dito sa ating problem na ito. That is simple but this is unit conversion. Pero, hindi siya kung hindi mo masyadong maaral into worded problems, doon mahihirapan ka. So, you need to practice also the worded problems like ganito. Although, conversion yung approach niya. 'Di ba? Hindi lang siya yung i-convert mo lang ng basta-basta.